If you buy a property that you make a lot of profit from the rent in the rural area, what ends up happening is the increase in value usually isn't that aggressive, where then you find the property in the downtown, the really desirable area.
Right.
Their rents, when you buy the property, the return on your rents are really low, meaning your profit from how much money you spent. For example, in Seffner, maybe you're gonna get 8% on your money for every $100,000.
Right.
Where in the downtown, you might only get 5% on your money. So you'd think, wow, I'm gonna get so much more money from owning in Seffner. The difference is usually in Seffner or in whatever, the rural area, the property value doesn't go up that much. Where in the downtown, it goes up a lot. So when you account for the cash flow that you're getting plus appreciation, you're gonna end up usually making more money in the downtown. But because it's upfront not as good, people don't buy there as often. So it's kind of like eating healthy food. It doesn't maybe taste as good, but it's good for you long term. Now both are good. It's better that you eat something than not eat at all.